First, let's have a review on last class about the number systems. As I introduced in the last class, in the PLC, we use the binary. Mostly we use the binary. But we need to know the how to convert the binary to the decimal. This is a binary. In the decimal number systems, we can present the number like this. This is a base for 10. This 10 for decimal. This is a decimal number systems. We can use the represent the decimal like this. This is a number. This is a position 0, 1, 2, 3 0, 1, 2, 3 In the binary number systems, we can represent the number like this. This is the position 1, 2, 3 to 9 to 7. This is the number is the position in this position. So we use these methods. We can convert the binary to the decimal Also, we can convert the octal number systems to the decimal this is the base. This is the digital. It is the position. This is the position. 1, 2, 3. This position. In the hexadecimal, we can use the 16 as the base and convert the hexadecimal to the decimal If we wanted to convert the decimal to any other number systems, we can use the base divided by the base, and keep the remainder, so we can get the results. This is the decimal number 35. Converted to the binary, we just divided by 2. This is the remainder. 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. This is converted to the hexadecimal, divided by 16. Next, I introduce the negative number. if we want to represent an negative number, here we consider about the minus 23, minus 23. If a minus sign is placed in front of the number, as we do with the decimal number, the method is suitable for us, but it is impossible for programmable controller and the computer to interpret. Since only the symbol they use the binary 1 and 0 1 and 0 Therefore, 2 complement is used to complement is used to the complement. The 2's complement use an extra digit to represent a digit to represent the sign. In the 2's complement computation, the negative of a binary number represented by switching all ones to 0 and all 0 to ones, and then add 1 to the result. To get 2's complements of a binary number, simply invert the given numbers and add 1 to the least significant bit of given result. Let's use the number plus 22 decimal as an example. This 22 is the binary. This is the binary. Its 2's complements would be 3 invert the given numbers and add 1. We can invert the number 1 0 1 0 0 1 and add 1, so we can get the 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is a minus number, minus 2's complement, 2's complement. Next, I introduce the binary codes. An important requirement of a program controller is communication with various external devices. This input-output function involves the transmission, manipulation, and storage of binary data that must be interpreted by humans. Binary coding is the process of assigning a Unicode combination of ones and zeros to each number, letter, or symbols that must be represented. The most common codes used in the industry ASCII, BCD, and GREE. The alphanumeric codes are used when information processing equipment such as printers and cathode receiver must process the alphabet along with the numbers and the special symbols. These alphanumeric characters are 26 letters uppercase 10 numerals plus mathematical and punctuation symbols can be represented using 6-bit code 6-bit code 6-bit code 2 power of 6 is equal to 64 possible characters 64 possible characters The most common codes for alphanumeric representation is ASCII. ASCII, the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Although a 6-bit code can accommodate the basic alphabet numbers and special symbols, standard ASCII character sets use a 7-bit standard ASCII character sets use 7-bit code 128 possible characters which provide room for lower case and control characters in addition to the character already mentioned, which means the standard ASCII character use 7 bits. Another biliary code, BCD. The biliary coded decimal systems was introduced as a convenient way for humans to handle number that must be input to digital machines, interpret numbers that are output from the machines. This is decimal. This is decimal 0 to 9. This is the biliary. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is biliary. As we know, this is 0, 1. 0, 1. Add 1. 1, 1. Add 1. 1, 0, 0. Add 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Add 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. This is a biliary. Normal biliary. If we want to code it as a BCD code, we use 4 bits. We use 4 bits. 4 bits represent the number. 4 bits represent the number. This is a BCD device. We can use it represent decimal. Next, I introduce the GRI. GRI code is a basic modified biliary code. Where only 1 bit change as the counting number increased. This reduced the change of error. Therefore, it is suited primarily for position transducer. the position transducer we rotary coded sensor rotary coded sensor. The character is only one bit change only one bit change as the counting number increase as the counting number increase. This is a gray code. This is binary. This is a decimal. Decimal 0 to 15. 0 to 15. It's binary. 0 to 111. 0 to 111. It's a gray code. 0 0 0 1 0 0. This is different from the binary code or BCD code or BCD code. Register word format. Register word format. Programmable controller perform all internal position in binary format using ones and zeros. In addition, the status of I/O failed device is also read and written in binary form to and from the PLC's CPU. Generally, these operations are performed using a group of 16 bits. 16 bits. A PLC word. A PLC word. 16 bits. 16 bits. Also called a register. Called a register. Here, this is a 1 bit. This is a less significant bit. 0 bit. 1 bit, 2 bit, 16 bit. Is bit. This 8 bits. 8 bits. 8 bits consists of 1 byte and 1 byte. 2 bytes. 2 bytes consists of 1 word. Consists of 1 word. This is 1 word. When we use the PLC, we need to know the relation between the bit, byte, and word. Bit, byte, and word. Next, I introduce the logical concepts. Logical concepts. Binary concepts. In digital systems, two-state conditions can be thought of as a signal that represent on or not represent off. These two-state concepts can be the basis for making decisions, and since it is very adaptable to the binary number systems, it is a fundamental building block for programmable controller and the digital computer. Biliary 1 represents the presence presence of signal. Biliary 0 represents the absence of the signal. Absence of signal. Biliary 1 represents the presence of a signal or the occurrence of some event. Biliary 0 represents the absence of the signal or the non-occurrence of the event. In digital systems, these two states are actually represented by two distinct voltage levels, plus V and zero V. Or sometimes we use the positive logical and negative logical. The positive logical we represent the plus V as 1, 0 V as 0. But if we use the negative logical, use the negative V, as 1, and 0 V as the 0, 0 V as the 0. This is plus V 1, 0 V 0 0 0. Sometimes we use the 1 represents operating, running, on, flowing, running, and engaged, closed. Use 0 represents not operating, not running, off, silenced, stopped, disengaged, open. The two states are the states are opposites. The two states are opposites. In the lit switch, 1 is operating, 0 is not operating, Next, introduce the logical function. Operations performed by digital equipment, such as programmable controller, are based on the 3 fundamental logical functions. 3 fundamental logical functions, and, or, and not. 3 logical function, the fundamental logical function. For the and logical function, A and B, if A is 0, B is 0, the output is 0. A is 0, B is 1, the output is 0. The A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. A is 1, B is 1, the output is 1. From the table, we know if there is one input is 0, the output is 0. So we know for the AND logical function, if one output one input is 0, the output must be 0. Must be 0. AND gates, the AND gates in the semiconductor we use AND gate, AND gate. If 1 0 is exist, 1 0 is exist, the output is 0. The output is 0. This is the electrical NAND circuit, electrical NAND circuit for the AND gate, for the AND gate. We can convert the electrical NAND circuit to the NAND diagram for the PLC, for the PLC. I give you some example. For the AND operation, we can this is AND logical, AND logical. This is input 1, input 2. This is output, output. When if one of the input is 0, the output must be 0, must be 0. This is the electrical NAND circuit. We can just simply convert the electrical NAND circuit to NAND diagram. NAND diagram. All gates, all gates. All gates this is a relation between the two inputs. We can see if the one is exists, the output must be 1. Must be 1. So this is all gates. All gates. The electrical circuit and the electrical NAND circuit and circuit. We can just convert the electrical circuit to the electrical NAND circuit and convert the electrical NAND circuit to the NAND diagram for the PLC. For the PLC, we can convert this NAND to the PLC NAND, to the PLC NAND. This is all logical, all logical, all logical. This is not logical, not logical, just inverts, inverts the states, inverts the states, 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Here, this is not logical, not logical. Next, introduce the logical function example. Logical function example shows the logical states, logical gates truth table and circuit representation for solenoid value, solenoid wells that will be open if they'll be open. Well, open if select switch S1 is on. This is well. This is the select switch S1 on. If a never switch, this is a never switch. This is never switch. Is not on. If this is not on. If this is not on, this is on. This is on. The valve is open. The valve is open. the logical function logical function this S1, this is L1 L1 if S is L is not on, S1 is on, the V1 is on, or the other stage is 0 other stage is 0 This is a truth table the truth table this is an AND operation. This is not operation not operation if this is not operation we can see from here here and here is two inputs two inputs if one input is 0, one input is 0 here is 0 0 the output is 0 output is 0 so the output is 0 this is an example for logical functions example logical function example and this is a two button this is a not operation just like here just like here we can see this is normally open normally open here is normally closed normally closed and this is output output we can use the Nando diagram represent the Nando circuit Nando circuit for example if I change the relation it's normally open change it to the normally state normally closed normally closed now you can see this is a logical relation for the alarm horn for the alarm horn we can use the Nando diagram represent the logical relation for the alarm horn alarm horn hello hello let's have a break
Sure. Okay.
let's have a break
For how many minutes, Loshi?
20 minutes
Okay, Loshi.
Allow you can sleep 20 minutes.
I don't like to sleep.
Also, you can.
En serio,
Take a rest, Johan. Take a rest.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hello，老师。
Hello. Let's before we continue our class. I need you change your meeting name. Change your meeting name with your student ID and your real name. Just next here. Just next here. Your ID and your real name. Part of name is okay. Just here is not is okay. I need you put your student ID as the first the student ID as your prefix prefix. Okay.
OK，老师。
OK，老师。你讲一
This
副一把不亮的弄自己都不来。
this one this one you can change you need to change change there is okay this okay this one you need to change this one
老师 let's do it.
yeah I don't know who is that this one who's that
Yeah, 老师。
well this is you is that you
No, who is this guy?
Uh,
Shahidul Zaman. Shahidul Zaman. Are you here, bro? You need his student number, right?
yeah, I need the student number is your prefix who's that 15
Oui,
Maybe he's the last two digit is 15 in his student number. It's GJ 101 20192100.
the firstly your student number, then your name part of your name is okay the 15 I don't know who's that I told you
15 is Aziz Abdul.
you need to change your name
No, it's not mine. It's not mine. It's others.
others
Yeah. His name is Aziz Abdul.
I told you if I cannot find your name in the attendance list I cannot give you the score cannot give you score
Okay, I will tell him.
if you can put your student number as the first place that's easy for me to find your name as you know your name is known so it's complex for us to understand so we check the student ID that's easy that's easy
Lakshi, his student ID last digit is 15, like GJ2019210015.
you need to change your meeting name by yourself change your meeting name by yourself
No,
this one
Lakshi, this 15 is not mine.
I know I don't know who's that I don't know who's that
Okay, I will tell him.
this name you need to put your student ID at the first place. At the first place.
All right, Lao Shi, I'm editing. Okay.
This one Chinese name Li Feiran.
That's could you please check my one? Is it correct? The first one. In the top list.
Who's that? Li
In the top list.
Feiran.
My Chinese name is Xuefeng.
Is your Chinese name?
No, it's not mine. My one
Rafi, let me check.
is first.
This one you need to change put your student ID at the first place. Firstly, you put your student ID, then your name, your real name.
Yeah, Lao Shi, I did it.
Let's check your name.
Done, 老师。
Now see, I changed this to my one.
You have changed your meeting name.
Now see the second one.
The second one, yeah, this one.
No.
This one.
No. After your name, yeah, this one. After your name. Xuefeng, Lao Xuefeng.
You need to put your student ID
first.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello everyone. Let's check your attendance. Your attendance.
Okay, 老师。
OK，老师，OK。
Okay. Let's check your attendance. The number. I just give you the last four digit number of your student
Now, could you please
ID.
check now?
This one. Okay. That's okay.
Okay, thank you, Lawson.
Omar 1001.
在。
This one this one 苏可 1002 is here. 苏可 1002谢之勉 1003
老师我在。
OK 安敏1004
Teacher, I am 1002.
1002 you need to put your student ID at the first place.
Okay, okay.
Right? 我在上课不好意思
老师
Yeah, 苏可change your name and put your student ID at the first place
老师
Yeah,
when will you take our exam?
what exam?
This course exam,
After the final exam.
the final exam.
Final exam.
Yeah, when will you take?
No, I need to ask I need this information from the office. I don't know.
Oh, will you take exam or just take assignments?
Maybe you can do final assignment.
Sam, we will give you assignment, but maybe the exam is necessary. Necessary.
Okay.
You need to finish your assignment and finish your examination. Examination.
Yeah, I already finished all my assignments.
苏可 1002.
Yes, Lausi.
I need to change your name. Put your student ID at the first place.
Okay, okay.
Put your student ID before your name. 苏可
Okay, Lausi. I will do.
I need you change now.
Okay, Lausi. Okay.
Amin 1004 is here. No one answer me. 杜瑞
Yes, Lausi.
杜瑞 which one is you? 1006
Today.
1006 which one is
Today. Lausi.
yeah
Today is with me. He's now in washroom, Laushi.
He's with you.
Me, me. My student ID is GJ 2019 21001011. I
This
meet.
one is you. This one is you.
Yeah, Laushi, yeah. Today is with me, Laushi. He's in the washroom now.
Yes, Laushi. GZ 2019-21 00104 is me. I am.
You need to wait. I check the name according to the your name list. Your name list. You need to wait. If I call your name, you need answer me.
Okay, Laushi.
Yeah, I check the name. Amin 1004. Amin. This is Amin.
Yes, Laushi.
Okay, Amin is here. Du Rui.
Laushi. Today is with me now, but he's in the washroom, Laushi.
He's in the washroom.
Yeah, Laushi. He's in the washroom, Laushi.
তাও লাউসি তাও
Today.
You two shine mobile phone. Du Rui.
তাও লাউসি
You don't use your cell phone to join the meeting. Yeah.
No, Laushi, I went washroom. That's why I cannot.
Du Rui. This one is you.
Yes, Laushi.
Han Ye 1007.
Yes, Laushi.
I need you change your name. Put your student ID at the first place.
Okay, Laushi.
Change now, please.
Okay.
梅善福1008 1008 梅善福 is here. No one answer me.霍继科 1009
How, Laushi?
OK.何子龙1011
Tao, Laushi.
OK, you're here. 蓝木斌1012 1012 is here.
Laushi.
Yes, Laushi.
Can you please check my ID? 1002 Sukha.
1012 1012 1012 1012.
No. It's 1002 Sukha.
I have already checked your name. I need you change your meeting name.
Hello, Laushi. Hello,
Shuke, I need you change your meeting name.
Laushi.
Yeah.
Yeah, my student ID is 1012.
1012
Yes.
1012
Yes. Yes. This only.
Suker 1002 is here.
Yes. Is it right now?
You need to change your name. Okay, you have already changed your name.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you check please 1004?
Wait. I need you wait. 1015. 1015. 杜安泽 1015.
My student number is CG20191003.
1015. The last four number are 1015 杜安泽 not here 1017 杨好 1017 not here
老师 can you hear?
1019 罗岩
Yes, Laushi, I'm here. 1019.
1019 okay.
Yes.
1023 杜兰 1023 1023 杜兰 not here 1023 张一洛
Yes, Laushi 1024, not 1023. Jangi no 1024.
1024 24
Yes,
张一诺 change your name
Yes,
put the student number before your name
Okay, Laushi, okay.
change it now please
So you can call just two number plus two digit of the number. It's more convenient, I think.
okay.
Yeah.
28 Hassan 28 is here. 28 not here
Laushi, I am here.
28 28 is here.
Can you hear me?
Anyone is answer me?
Laushi, is here. Sorry, my network is having some trouble.
28 is not here 7 7 韩烨 I need you change your name 7
Laushi, my
I need you change your name put your student ID before your name. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
7 7. I hear
Call
with
at
me.
least the last two numbers. Example, if it's 07, just call 07, Laushi.
07. Okay, 07. I hear 07. 07. Not here. 23. 23. Not here. 28.
Laushi, I'm here. I'm here, Laushi. Like,
You are 23.
here, Laushi here.
23.
Laushi, like, too long.
Twenty-eight. 28. 29. 29. 29.
আমি তো ফার্স্টেই বললাম অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স আমি ফার্স্টেই দিলাম
29. 30. 30. 30. 30. You are here. 33.
Yes, Laushi.
33. 34.
Yes, Laushi.
34. Okay. 37. 37.
Yes, Laushi. I am here.
51.
Laushi.
51.
Laushi, I am 37.
Yes, Laushi, I'm 51.
51.
Yeah, Laushi.
51.
Hello, Laushi.
37. Yeah.
Laushi, can you check
51,
again
Laushi.
my student ID?
51. 51 is here. Okay.
Laushi, did you take the attendance?
Laushi, I'm 51. Should I change my name?
51.
Laushi, I will take the
Hello,
attendance.
Laushi.
Okay.
Laushi, I am 37.
Laushi, I'm 51.
Okay. Okay.
Laushi, I am 66.
Laushi, my
Guys, please, one
Guys,
by
one by
wait
one,
for your
just
time.
answer if Laushi call your number.
Yes, wait for your time.
Oh.
53. 53. 53. Not here. 55.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here. 55.
55. Your name 55.
Yeah.
Okay. 56. 56. Not here. 57. Not here. 59.
Here, 老师。
59 陈张贝 61
Yes, 老师, I'm here.
61 is here. Okay. 62 62 okay. 64
Yes, Laushi, I'm here. 64.
okay. 65 not here. 66
Yes, Laoshi, I'm here.
okay.
Laoshi,
Yeah.
65 is in class. Maybe he was in washroom, I think.
$65.
Yes, he's in class. Maybe he was in washroom.
Okay. The 65. Okay. 68. 68. Nothing here. 69.
Laushi, I'm here.
69. Okay.
Yes, Laushi.
Okay. 70.
I'm here, Laoshi, as always. I'm here.
Okay. 75.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here.
Okay. 76. 76. 77.
Yeah, Laoshi, I'm here. Always by your
Okay.
side.
Okay. 85. 85.
Yes, Laushi, I'm
87.
here. 85.
Hello, Laushi.
85.
It's 85, I'm here.
Hello, Laushi. 76. I'm here.
Just the which 87, 85. Which one is your 85?
Yes, 85. Yes,
Here
I'm here.
you see 凤孔 85.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
87.
Okay.
87. 87. Not here. 90.
I'm here, 老师，到了。
Which one is you?
I'm the one like
This one.
yes.
90. 94. 94.
Laushi, I'm here. 94.
94. Okay. 98.
Yeah, I'm here.
98. I need you change your name.
Okay.
Put your student ID before your name.
Okay.
Your student ID started with GJR. GJR. Yeah. Change it now. Okay. There are someone. They not here. They are not here. I commit again. I called your name again. 707. 07. 07. 寒夜 not here. 08.
Laoshi, I'm here. 08.
08. 08 梅善福
梅善福。
Yeah.
Yes, Laoshi.
50 15 杜安泽 15 杜安泽not here 17 not here
Laoshi, sorry, 70 or 17?
17
17?
17
Okay.
17
It's not-
17
Okay.
Laoshi.
well
1011, I'm here. 1011, I'm here, Laoshi. 1011.
11
Yeah, Laoshi.
yeah I know you are here.
Okay, thank you, Laoshi.
17 not here
Laoshi, 1007. I have changed my name. Yes.
1007
Yes.
okay you change your name
Yes, Laoshi.
15 not here 17 not here 23
到23 Dulan Laoshi. Dulan is here.
23 杜兰you're here
Hello, Laoshi. My network was unstable. That's why I was missing.
আজকে wait.
Okay.
তোমারটা ডাকবে wait.
28
Yes, Laoshi. Tao.
You are here 29 29 顾月曼 29 not here 53 53 not here sorry I answer the phone
Laoshi. Laoshi, can you hear me?
কোনো কাজ নেই।
Sorry. Let's continue.
Laushi,
Yeah.
53 took leave because
Let's continue,
maybe he
Laoshi.
affected malaria, I think.
53.
Yeah. He took leave.
53. Which one is your
Philip Sasola.
53? 53. I cannot find your name.
No, Laushi, he was sick. He takes a leave. He was not in class right now.
I cannot find your 53.
Lauchi, he's not in class. He's suffering from malaria, so he has taken leave.
He's not in class.
Yes.
I have.
That's okay.
You have what?
Oh, no, I have one bag. I just
56.
How long?
56.
10 minutes. You can go.
10分钟。I stay here.
No, we go together. No problem.
OK，跟他一起去，他要10分钟去拿一个袋子。
56. 56. 56. 韩明not here 57. 57. 于哥not here. Sorry. Which minute?
ইউনুস নাকি
Amir. Yes, Rafi. Rafi.
এই হেডাই কি শুরু করছে রিক্তা?
হ্যাঁ বেটা তুই এখানে
আশা করাইছে রে
রাফি এটা কি বললো রে ভাই? ওমারি
আমার কি প্রেজেন্ট হয়েছে?
না না
মামা তো দুইবার হয়েছে।
মিট তোর মাইক অন।
বেটা এখানে তো বোঝা যায় না, নিজের ফোনে তো নিজে বোঝা যায় না টিচার কি কইলো। আমি খালি শুনলাম যে টিচার ডাকলো, আমি তো বললাম যে আমি আছি। এখন আল্লাহ জানে কোথায় কইলো যে হয়েছে। আমার সাথে ফাজলামো করার সময়
তো নিজেরটাই হয় নাই, ও কেমনে কব তোরটা হইছে?
বন্ডামো করো মিয়া।
আব্রার কোন চিপাই গে মরছে রে?
মির, হে হাগু মির, মির। হাজিলং, হে হাজিলং।
হ্যাঁ রাকিব,
খেলা দেখছো নি আমাদের?
কোথায়? এগুলো হচ্ছে যে কি ভাগ্যে ভাই ঠেললে কিছু করার থাকে না। এটা হচ্ছে যে কি আন্তরুস খেলে ফেলছে। ওই 3 বলে 4টা ছক্কা লাগবে এরকম আর কি, একটা নো বল শট হয়ে গেছে এরকম আর কি, এরকম আন্তরুস হয়ে গেছে। নাহলে পুরো 90 মিনিট ম্যান সিটি ডমিনেট করছে। 90 মিনিট পর
ডমিনেট করছে
কি
রিয়ালের যে চান্স
পাসিং এ করেছি, তুমি সব দেখো কি রিয়াল মাদ্রিদ 3টা অন টার্গেট শুট করছে, 3টাই গোল। 2টা অন টার্গেট করছে 90 মিনিট পর 2টা গোল।
অন টার্গেট শুট
রদ্রি যেটা করছে
আমার
ওইটা গোল।
জিজ্ঞেস হয় খেলা দেখছে তো এদিন।
ভাই রিয়াল মাদ্রিদ এবার লাখের উপর গেছে।
লাখের উপরে জিতছে আসলে।
তো লাখের উপর না কি বেটা, ওদের কি বাল খেলছে। পিএসজির সাথে, চেলসির সাথে, সিটির সাথে তিনটাই সেম। শেষে দি যাই আন্তরুস।
সিটির লাগে জেতার কথা ছিল না।
এটা তো বেটা আনএক্সপেক্টেড একদম। এটা তো এক্সপেকটেশনের বাইরে।
যে টিমগুলোর পিএসজি, চেলসি এগুলো এক একটা কি আগুন আগুন সবগুলো।
এগুলা সবগুলোর সাথে কিন্তু মানে
এগুলো
চেলসি ছাড়া সবগুলোর সাথে কিন্তু ফার্স্ট লেগে আসছে ভাই। রিয়ালের ফ্লোরেন্তিনো ফ্যানেস বলতেছে আমরা টোটালি ভাগ্য আমাদের সাথে ছিল। কোচ বলতেছে আনচেলত্তি বলতেছে ভাগ্য।
সে তো আরামই লাগবে।
জিকো খেলা দেখছো তো ওই দিন?
হ্যাঁ, আনচেলত্তি নিজে বলতেছে ভাগ্য আমাদের সাথে না থাকলে হইতো না। এটা কেমনে ভাই? গ্রিলিশের যে বলটা সেভ করে ফেলছে কোর্তুয়া।
হ্যালো
Tafsil.
Hello,
Laushi.
and you keep quiet. Okay.
Okay, Laushi.
Guys, Laushi say for us be quiet, please.
Quiet please. Quiet please. 87 here.
Hello, see. Yes, I'm here. Hello.
76.
Laushi 76. He said his mic has a problem. So whenever you mention his name, he tried to respond, but he can't. When he responds, you can't hear.
He's not
He's
here.
talking now. No, he's here, Laushi. But his microphone has a problem.
He cannot
His
access
microphone is some problem.
Yeah, but he's in class. You can see he's trying to talk, but
He sent a message in the group,
yeah, but
in the chat.
he said when he talk, no one
He
hears.
already texted me in box 50. 56.
76.
76. Can you give me a message in the chatting room? 76.
Laushi, 56 has also same problem. He cannot access his mic.
Okay, you give me a message.
76.
76.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here.
76. Change your
Yes,
name.
Laushi, I'm
Change
here.
your name. 76. Change your name. Put
Laushi,
your student ID
56 text you.
Alico.
at the first place. 76. Change your name.
Hello, Laushi.
Change your name. Change your meeting name. Put the student ID the first place.
Where far? No, not so.
76. Can you hear me? 76. Ali.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here.
Please change your name.
Yes, Laushi.
Laushi, 56 text you.
56.
Let's check the chat box.
56. Okay. Seven, 6. Change your name, please.
Okay, I'll try.
7, 6. Change your name. Seven, 6. Alif. You are here? Are you here? Seven, 6. Seven, 6. Can you hear me? Alif. Are you here? Please talk with me. Seven, 6.
Maybe he went to change his name from the class, you know. He left the class and changing his name and coming again.
Okay, let's wait. 68. 68. 68. 68. Not here. 6.
Yes, Laushi, I'm here. Change my name. My Yes, Laushi.
আরিফ ভাই কথা বলেন আপনার ডাকতেছে এতক্ষণ ধরে
6, 4. 65. 65. 65. None here. 57. 57. 57. 53.
I'm here, Lashi.
53. You're here.
Yes, sir.
29. 29. 29. Not here. Okay.
Tulan here, Lashi. Tulan Tawla. Arshisan, Lashi.
You are 23.
Tulan.
I need to check the 29.
Tulan
29.
Arshisan.
29 isn't here. 57. 57. 57. 于哥57 50 50 not here 15 15 15 15 68 68 I'm sorry, everyone. I spent more time on your attendance list checking. Attendance list checking.
Which thing, Lashi?
Next class, we will output your attendance list and according to your attendance list, give you some part of your score. Part of your score. So, if you join the meeting, I need to put your student ID before your name. Before your name.
Okay, Lashi.
Okay.
Okay, 老师。
Yes, Laushi.
Okay. Let's have a rest. Okay.
Okay, Lashi.
Okay.
Okay.
How
Lashi,
many
please,
minutes, sir?
can you mute everyone during the break,
Okay.
please? Thank you.
ক্লাস ক্লাস কি শেষ নাকি?
রেখে যেতে
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
Laoshi.
everyone.
Hello, Laoshi.
Let's continue.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Last class, I introduced the logical and or and not. Here I introduced the logical and or. The and is and add not and not. This
Laoshi,
part,
I'm here.
yeah.
Laoshi, Maida, I'm here in the class.
You your number is
68.
68.
Saudades, pá.
68.
So my number is 15.
Okay, 68.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can you hear me, Laoshi?
Let's continue. Let's continue. This n and n or, which means we just and
Laoshi.
and what?
Laoshi.
Yeah.
Yeah, you call my attendance. I didn't listen.
Who are you?
But try you guess. 57 1057.
57.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 57.
Okay, thank you.
কি মনে করছিস এগুলা ঠিক আছে এগুলা খোলা আছে তো কইতে পারেন যাইতে গেলে বারবার এসে করে
57. 57. Are you there?
Yes, Laoshi. Yes, Laoshi. Yes, I'm here.
I need you change your name. Change
But
your
try. Yeah.
not meeting name. Put your student ID before your name.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Now change it now, please. This n and n or just put and not together. That's not together. The symbol, this one is and. This circle, this circle means not. Not. So A and B after get the result not the result output y output y. This is n and n or A or B and not the results. This circle means not. This circle means not. These principles of Boolean algebra and logical logical. This logical symbols logical symbols, logical statements logical statements Boolean equation Boolean equation This logical and logical and logical and is means Boolean equation multiply 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 logical or Boolean equation add Boolean equation logical not in the Boolean equation just put a bar on the natural put a bar on the natural This is Boolean and algebra and logical logical Compound gauge compound gauge compound gauge put the and or and not together together combined logical combined logical combined logical This is some Boolean algebra rules Boolean algebra rules commutative commutative no change the place associative no associative no can calculate the last two and all the first two is the same is the same De Morgan's law De Morgan's law if we not the combination maybe we need to change change the logical change the logical this is a different De Morgan law De Morgan law distributive law distributive law no absorption no absorption no absorption if we want to use the Boolean algebra represent the relation between the inputs or outputs we need to know the Boolean algebra rules and simplify the operation simplify the operation but if you don't use it maybe we needn't remember the rules the rules in the PLC circuit PLC circuit hardwired logical refers to logical control function timing sequencing and control that are determined by the way devices are interconnect hardwired logical determined by the way devices devices hardwired logical is fixed and then can be changed only by altering the way devices are physically connected if we want to change the hardwired logical we need to change the interconnection so that is not convenient for us to use it so we use PLC logical relation replace the circuit A primary function of a PLC is to replace existing hardware control logic, and implement a programmable control function for new systems. How these instructions are implemented to convey commands to the PLC is called the language. The language gives the instruction to the PLC. The most convenience of the control language is ladder diagram. Ladder diagram are also called contact. Contact symbol knowledge. Since their instruction are ready equivalent contact symbols contact symbols. This complete NAND circuits can be source of individual circuits. Each circuit having the outputs. Each of these circuits is known as a run. Or network. Therefore, a run is the contact symbol logic required to control an output. In the PLC. Some controllers allow a run to have multiple outputs, but one output per run is the convening. For the PLC circuit, input devices are push button, select switch, limit switch, proximity switch, timer contact. Output device pilot lights, solenoid valves, horns, control relay, timer. This is the output device and the input device. Here is an example. PLC circuit and the PLC NAND diagram. This PLC circuit. This is a button. Close the button. This is a button. This is a button. This is a M. We can change it to like this. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 button. We use the 4 button as the input. So the input the output is M. Out is M. Maybe represent the motor. The M output. So in the middle is PLC ladder diagram. PLC ladder diagram. PLC circuits and the contact logic. Note that the PLC diagram includes all of the field inputs and output devices connected to the interface that are used in the ROM. A complete PLC LED diagram program consists of several runs. Each runs control an output interface that is connected to an output device. Each run is a combination of input conditions connected from left to right between two vertical lines with the symbol that represents the output at the far right. You can see this is a micro-wing smart for the S7200 smart PLC. In the interface on the screen, you can see the left line. This left line. Right line sometimes is omitted. So the signal is flow from the left to the right, left to the right. From left to the right between the two vertical lines. Sometimes we just see the left lines. PLC addressing. Each symbols on a run will have a reference number, which is the address in memory, where the current state for the reference input output is stored. When a field signal is connected to an input or an output interface, its address will be related to the terminal. Where the signal wise is connected. Consider a simple circuit. Each zero field device, such as push buttons, PB1, PB2, limited switch, LS1, and the parent light, PL1, is connected to the PLC's input and output module, which have a reference number. The address. To turn PL1, this one, on, one of the following conditions must occur. PB1 must be pressed and the LS1 must be closed. Or PB2 pressed, LS1 closed. This is this part represents the PLC. This PLC. This part represents the input module R. This part represents the output module R. Output module R. So we find the input device R. Input device connected to the input module R, and connect the output device to the output module R. Output module R. In the PLC control program, power must flow through either address PB1 and PLS1, or through PB2 LS1 to turn on the night PL1. So the power flow along this path or along this path. Output device 40 energize the night PL1 that is connected to the interface with address 40. Address 40. In order to provide the power to address 30, 31, 32, the device is connected to the input interface. Address must be turned on. This is an actual PLC. Connect the input devices to the input interface. Connect the output device to the output interface. Contact symbol are used in PLC. Consider a relay A with two sets of contact. One normally open, one normally closed. Every contact in the PLC has two sets. Normally open and normally closed. If relay coil A is not energized, contact A1 will remain open. Contact A2 will remain closed. Which means if the relay is not energized, the state keep not change, keep unchanged, keep unchangeable. Conversely, if coils A is energized, the normally closed become normally open. The normally open become closed. Become closed. This blue lines highlight the coil, and the contact denotes an open, denotes an on or closed condition. If we can simulate the PLC, the device is energized. The line is highlight. The line is highlighted. Each set of available coils and its respective contacts in the PLC have a unique reference address by which they are identified. Every contact and coils has only address. For instance, coil 10 coil 10 will have normally open and normally closed contact with the same address as the coils This is the coils output device. This is normally open for the coils 10. Normally closed. Normally open. Normally open. Note that PLC can have as many normally open and normally closed contact as designed. You can use any numbers of contacts. Numbers of contacts. A programmable controller also knows the multiple use of an input device reference. An example in which limiter switch LS1 is connected to reference input module connection 20. Use it. This is 20. Note that PLC control program can have as many normally open and normally closed reference 20 contacts in as many runs as needed. You can use any numbers of contacts for the input Normally open contacts when evaluated by the program, these symbols is examined for an 1 to close the contact. Therefore, the signal referenced by the symbol must be on, closed, activated, etc. Normally, closed contacts when evaluated by the program, this symbol is examined for a zero to keep the contact closed. Thus, the signal referenced by the symbol must be off, open, deactivate. If the status for the contact closed contact is off, open, or deactivated, the closed contact keep closed. Output. An output on a given run will energize if any left to right path has all contacts closed. An output can control either a connected device or an internal output. Used exclusively within the program. The external output device is used output outside of the PLC, but some internal output device, for example, the timer can use as the internal output. We can, if the energized path is energized, we can enable. You can enable the timer. You can enable the timer. Here is the software for the PLC. We can use it to make the program. I hope everyone can download the program. And you can find some information in the Siemens in the Siemens website.
Yes, Lord.
Yeah, I give you the drawings. This is a website drawings for the Siemens. You can search the some reference on this website and study for the S7 200 PLC. Or I just give you the files. I just give you the files. Everyone can read this digital book.
Okay, Lordship.
To do what, Laushi? Why are you shouting?
Yeah, this is a book about the PLC. Siemens PLC. I hope you find some time to practice it.
Yes, Lordship.
After we finish this class, I need you use the PLC make some program and finish some function.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this PLC, we are going to see it in the exam.
You want to see what?
I mean, this PLC is going to be part of our exam.
Sorry.
I mean, are we going to do this in the exam?
Next
Final
exam. Next exam.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe we will have some test for this PLC. This PLC, and I will give you assignment according to the you will use it. You will use it.
Okay, Lordship.
Okay. Okay. Everyone.
Yes, Lordship. You are here.
Today's class is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Laushi.
Okay.
Thank you, Laushi. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sally. Left.